We found a handful of people who said you made them feel uneasy. We put them in a room. Your past lovers too. There were quite a few of those. We tracked down all of your primary and secondary school teachers, and the neighbors came round for tea, and we talked and talked till we agreed that we were confused about you and why you are the way you are. So we closed the doors and we locked it, and we ate some more fair trade chocolate till somebody nailed it. It's that you must be crazy or something like that. Something like I don't know what, but don't you worry, 'cause I'm not worried. But I'd be worried if I was you. And I should know I knew you well as a child. And when you were a child, you showed some signs of immaturity. And I should know I meet you every year for Christmas dinner. And every year at Christmas dinner, you hardly ever eat your Christmas turkey. Stop that now, you are projecting. Stop that now, you are projecting that I am projecting. Oh, would you look at yourself? You look ridiculous. Can't you see just how ridiculous you look? I wish that you did and just got on with it. Yeah, so we could just all go to bed. And I should know because I've seen you at your worst. And when you were at your worst, well, it could not have been worse. And I should know I worked so hard to pay my bills. And after paying all my bills, I went and bought a high horse. And I'll give you a lift if you like. No, it's fine. No. Yeah, no, it's going that way anyway. Ungrateful bastard. You know I long for the day when you call me on the phone and you say, oh, I was just being an asshole all along. Wow, that's such a weight off me. Oh, I can't believe it didn't occur to me before. Because there's something that is wrong. Why don't you tell me what is wrong? No, I will tell you what is wrong. And it's that something is wrong. And you can't take any criticism.